that sense, whatever it is. So thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much, and
much.
many, many
Thank
thanks to you for inviting.
you. Did you see any beautiful girl in that party with whom you went?
In
Hi,
that,
Asu, how are you?
yeah, I'm fantastic. Thank you. How about you?
I'm absolutely awesome, and I am hearing your accent is really awesome. So, how did you learn this accent? Really good.
Yeah, when it comes.
How did you learn?
Thank you so much for the compliment. When it comes to the accent, it has been 2.5 years. I have been listening to the people from all around the world. So, by listening to them and by observing to them and by talking to the people from several countries, I started speaking like that. So, I learned by listening, watching, and talking to the people. That's what I'll say.
Oh, that's great. Actually, really, you have. I don't understand how to speak, and I'm listening right now. Good accent. So it's really impressive. So, Ashutosh, right?
Yes, Ashutosh.
Ashutosh, by God's grace, if you were the place of Prime Minister, what would you do? By God's grace, if you were the place of Prime Minister, what would you do?
Oh, so this is the situation. I can't even dream for that. And of course, if you have given me this question, if I'll be the prime minister of our country, then for sure I am going to focus on a few certain things. First thing, education, which is the very important in my eyes. What I see that education is the one of the most important thing in the world at this moment. And it is already said by the Nelson Mandela that education is the greatest weapon for anything. So, in another thing I'm going to focus on, that is the health. Health matters a lot. If you're healthy, then of course you will be able to do anything, whatever you want. So I would love to start some campaigns, and I would love to help people in their health, like spiritual health, mental health, and kind of physical health. So these are the two things I'm going to focus on a lot. Apart from, as being a prime minister, you are having a lot of official things to do, and I would love to have the good relation with the different countries, so we can deal and we can make our country great in future. And I would love to see my country as the one of the greatest country in the world. I feel now our country is doing great, but I would love to see our country on topmost and all around the world. That's what I would love to do as a prime minister.
Lovely.
And this is a very
Actually,
short answer. I don't want to give a very big answer, but of course, I would love to do a lot of things for our country. What I'd say.
I, if I were the place of Prime Minister, I don't want to do. Actually, it is not possible. But if I would definitely. I want to change all the rules and regulation which has already made in private sector. I really don't like because nobody is getting good salaries and all. So, but it's not possible. That's what I really want to change. So, I suppose, do you like to go to groom party, barati? You like to go?
Sorry, come again.
Like to go to groom party, barati, groom
Party,
party?
right? Oh,
Yes, yes,
okay.
wedding.
Yes, if you're asking this question, sometimes I do like and sometimes I don't. But I do like dancing on DJ a lot. If I'm there with my friends, I would love to enjoy dancing a lot. So, but nowadays, as I'm working on my profession, I'm working on my career, I don't really go out and I don't enjoy such weddings because now I'm in an age where the most of the people, I think this is the right age to work on the career. So in the future, of course, I'm going to enjoy it, but I do like going there if my friends are available, for sure.
So, which groom party had you been last time and with whom? Last time, whose wedding had you been and with whom?
Remember those things? The last marriage which I have enjoyed a lot, that was the last year, I think, in the Jan 2022, and I was there with my sister. So I enjoyed a lot, and I still remember that I danced for 2 and 3 hours. The like in a moment I went there and I reached there. from that moment I started dancing, and I danced till the DJ was just stopped, like that, and like that. So I still remember that. That was really interesting for me. Mhm.
That means definitely you like dance, right?
Yes, I do like dancing a
I
lot in wedding.
actually I really love dancing, but I don't know how to do. But it is my favorite. I really love dancing. So, did you
Mhm.
see any beautiful girl in that party with whom you wanted to dance?
In that case, not really. I'm not a kind of person where I would like to dance with beautiful girls. Of course, girls were there and they were dancing with their friends, but I don't have such thoughts. I was finding out the companion, as I told you, that I want to do dance with my friends or the boys who are already just doing good on floor. I think if you will go in any wedding, you will see one or two boys who will be dancing on DJ and who will be having a great stamina to dance for hours and hours. So I would like to find out such friends with whom I can dance, but I don't have any thought of dancing with any girl in that sense.
Okay, okay, nice. So, whom did you like more in that party, bride or groom? Whom did you like more in that wedding?
Yeah, I think, of course, in that sense, I must say that bride is always looking better than groom because they are getting a lot
Yeah,
of like,
absolutely. Yeah,
special
absolutely
clothes,
right.
and very like for boys it's very normal, but for the girls it's very special occasion, what I'll say. So in the
Yeah,
sense of dressing, what
definitely.
I'll say. Mhm.
Yeah, because brides are always decorated by someone else, and they
Mhm.
definitely use much more makeup. So they always
Mhm.
look better than grooms. But in the real, always groom looks better than brides. It is reality. But in wedding, always look brides good.
Mhm.
So how did you like banquet in that wedding? Feast. How did you like banquet in that wedding?
Food.
Yeah.
So as I told you that I was very busy dancing. At the end, just one of my relative, he said to me, "Now just go and eat, or just if you will not eat, it is going to be end." I said, "Oh my goodness!" But yeah, before dancing, I had finished and just I had done with the breakfast, and which was really fantastic there, and I enjoyed a lot. Few things were there which were very nice, and chart was the very special thing which I would remember. That was really nice. And after that I danced, and then after I just I am not really interested in eating food in wedding parties. I would like to finish with the breakfast, whatever they are providing, a lot of things, and then after I would like to join that DJ floor. So I did the same there, but at the end I eaten something. So yeah, that was it.
And do you know how to cook?
Oh
Do you
my
know how to
goodness. It is the one of the toughest thing for me. I know a lot of people who are interested in cooking, but I'm the one, I don't even know that how to peel a potato and how to just, cut a
Oh
tomato like
wow.
that. For me, it is a difficult task. And even though nowadays also sometimes my friends, they are saying, because I'm staying here alone, and they are saying that why don't you cook for yourself? But I said it is the one of the difficult thing for me. I don't want to do it, so that's why I'm taking food from outside. So I don't cook, honestly.
You don't cook because nowadays every boys also wants to cook all by themselves.
Hmm. Hmm.
Thank you so much for joining. And what do you do actually? Are you working right
Okay.
now?
Yes, of course. I will give the brief introduction of myself. As I told you before, my name is Ashutosh Englishspeaking. I'm connecting to you from Kanpur city of Uttar Pradesh. And about my education, I have done with my graduation degree, that is BCom Honors Accounting from renowned university BHU, Banaras Hindu University. And now I'm pursuing my master's, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. Along with that, I'm helping others to speak better English. So I'm professional spoken English trainer, and I'm running a YouTube channel as well. So nowadays I'm focusing more on just doing the video conversation and making the video content for my YouTube channel so I can become more confident while making videos. That's what I do.
I'm happy that I'm talking with a good teacher. You are
Oh,
children
thank you.
right now. So I'm so happy. And thank you again to
So,
join.
yes, thank you so much. But before ending this video, I would love to know about yourself as well. If you can tell me something about yourself, it would be so nice.
Yes, of course. As you know that, my name is Sadhana. I'm inhabitant from Bihar. Right now, I'm in Delhi. I have done BCom, and right now I am working in Delhi as an admin, and I have been in Delhi for 1 year, and I
Oh,
really love dancing. But as I told you, I really don't know how to dance. But I really love dancing. I love traveling. But I have never been any places. Really, I don't understand why I like these things that I don't know. I don't know dance, but whenever I listen music, I feel that I have to go to dance. That's feeling I have also. So yeah, that's I am.
okay, that's quite interesting, and I hope that you will be able to fulfill your just dreams in that sense, whatever it is. So
Thank
thank you
you
so
so
much, and
much.
many many thanks to you for inviting me.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you
Yes,
once
bye.
again for joining.